Hello, in this very short demo I will show how you can use Flexter to process an XML schema complex like FpML into the database. And so I have that standard open here. It's like 18 different XSD libraries. I have single one of them open, so you can see it on my screen. It's pretty complex, and this is just a tiny fraction of the overall standard if you look at my scroll bar. So to process that, we will use the same two-step approach as with everything else. First, we're gonna discover the structure and build the model. So for that, we're gonna analyze these XSD files. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Flexter is building that model now. So once it's built, we're gonna get the ID. We can look at the model now. So it was 194. So that's how the model looks like. It's pretty complex. It's more than 160 tables. We can also look at the mapping. So we know exactly which XPath goes where, into what table and what column, and right now we're ready to process the data. So that was just a thing that we do once, and now we can do actual data processing as many times as we want to. So all I need to do in here is to basically use that model ID. So I'm passing it in 194 from here, and Flexter will look up that model and will automatically start parsing the input files and writing to the Snowflake database. So this is happening. So right now the tables are being written to. So that's finished, and we're basically ready to query the data now. So let's go into the schema. Let's open that schema. We can see the tables, more than 100. And I have a sample query here. So I can run select statement. We join two tables by foreign and parent key. This is something created by Flexter, so we see parent key here. This is just to link parent and child tables from the XML. And we can see the data in here. The first two columns are the metadata that Flexter created. So at any point in time, we can trace back the data into the original XML files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.